Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Good morning, class 9. Today we are doing questions of exercise number 5.8. We have done 6 questions in the previous class. Today we will continue the exercise. We are not doing question number 7. We will start from question number 8 and 9 and 10. Okay, why we are not doing question number 7? The question number 7 is different from all of the factorizations that we have studied. So when you will come back to the class, we will study that in the class, because that is a different method, or you can say it is a difficult. We will do it face to face when we will do the questions. Okay, what we are doing here, we are having question number 8, and today your homework will also be about question number 8, question number 9, or question number 10. What is question number 8? We are having y square plus y minus 2. We are having 3 different expressions: y square plus 3y plus 2, and the last one we are having y cube plus 2y square plus y plus 2. We are having these 3 polynomial expressions, and we have to find out its HCF. How do we find out the HCF? First of all, we will factorize the expressions one by one. We will find out the factors for each expression, and after getting the expression factors, we will find out the common factor, and then we will find out HCF. So starting from the first one, solution. First polynomial, we will put the heading first polynomial, which is y square plus y minus 2, right? But we have to do, how do we do the factorization here? We will do the midterm breaking. Okay, which factorization we will do? We will do midterm breaking here. How do we do the midterm breaking? First we multiply the first and last value, means after multiplying first and last value, what do we get? 2 ones are 2. We will get minus 2. Okay, minus plus minus 2 ones are 2. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out what is the midterm. We are having midterm as 1, because there is no constant. So we will make the factors of 1. How do we find out the factors of 1? These like the numbers, when we subtract we get 1, and after subtracting we should have 1, and after multiplication we should have 2. So we can take 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 will be equals to 1, and 2 ones are 2. So the right factor for 1 will be equals to 2 minus 1. Here we will start solution for it. Y square plus, in the bracket we will write down the factors of 1, which is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 will be equals to 1. Y plus minus 2. Right? Now open the bracket. Y square plus 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 2y plus minus minus 1y minus 2. Then taking common from the first 2 or the last 2. What is common here? We are having y as a common value, or in the bracket we will write down the remaining. Y square, we have taken y from y square, so we will write down y plus, what left here? 2 minus, what is common in both? Nothing is common. So we will take 1 as a common value, because 1 ones are 1 or 1 twos are 2. So we will take out 1 as a common value, or in the bracket we will write down the remaining. Minus minus plus y minus minus plus 1 twos are 2. What is common in both? Y plus 2 and y plus 2. This bracket is common. So we will write down y plus 2 as common, and then y minus 1 with, as a remaining value. What are these? These are the factors of first polynomial. Okay. Now same as we will do, or we will find out the factors of second polynomial. We will write down heading second polynomial. Okay. What is the second polynomial? It is y square plus 3y plus 2. Same as we have done for the first polynomial, same as we will do for second, as we are having 2 ones are 2. By multiplying first or last value, what we are getting? 2. 2 ones are 2. And the signs are plus plus plus. Here we are having plus 2. In this expression we were having minus 2. So we find out the factors for 2 minus 1. Here we can find out the factors for what is the midterm? It is 3. It means we have to break 3. Two numbers that when we add them we got 3, and when we multiply them we got 2. Okay, this is a way of finding the factors by midterm breaking. You have studied it in exercise number 5.1 as well as 5.3. okay, how do we find out the factors by midterm breaking? We have to break the midterm, or how do we break it? By multiplying. By doing addition we must have the mid value. Okay, and when we multiply them we must have the product of first or last value. It means what can we take? We can take 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3, and 2 ones are 2. So this is the right factor. What is the right factor? 2 plus 1. Here we were having 1, that's why we subtracted 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. Here we are having 3, so we are taking 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3, and 2 ones are 2. So what is the right factor? Here we will write down the factors. Y square as it is plus 3. 3 is equals to what? 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. Y plus 2. Now open the bracket. Y square plus 2y plus 1y plus 2. Taking common, what is common here? We are having y as a common value, so we will write down the remaining, which is y plus 2 plus, what is common here? Nothing is common, so we will take 1 as a common value, because 1 ones are 1 and 1 twos are 2. So 1 will be taken as common value. Y plus 1 twos are 2. What is common here? Y plus 2, this bracket, and y plus 2, this one. These two are common, so we will write down y plus 2 as a common bracket, and then we are having y plus 1. Y plus 1. It is a remaining values. Okay. These two are the factors of the second polynomial. Now we will find out the factors of third polynomial. Okay. Third polynomial. Or how do we find out the factors of the third polynomial? As I have told you that when we are doing the HCF or LCM for the different polynomial expressions in which we are having a question in which we are having 2 or more than 2 expressions, it is not necessary that all the expressions would be solved by same method. Okay, we are having y cube plus 2y square plus y plus 2. It is an expression. What we have to do, as we cannot do the midterm breaking, because for doing midterm breaking we must have 3 values. Okay, we apply midterm breaking method on 3 values. Here we are having 4 values. So what we do for mostly when we are having 4 values, we try to find out the common values from the first 2 or last 2. We break the question into 2 values. We make the pair of 2 values, and from the 2 values we find out the common value. Okay, the common thing or common value, variable, constant, whatever we are having. What is common here? You can see that y cube plus 2y square. We can take y square as common value. Okay, from y cube we have taken y square, so what left? Y plus y square we have taken, so what left? We are having just only 2 plus here what we are having as a common value, we are taking 1 as a common because nothing is common here. So 1 y plus 2 will be left. What is common? You can see y plus 2 and y plus 2. It is a common bracket. So here we will write down y plus 2 as a common bracket, and remaining is y square plus 2. y square plus 1, this one, okay, making separation. Now you can see factors of the third polynomial, second polynomial or first polynomial. These three are the factors of first, second and third polynomials. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the common factor. What we have to find out? We have to find out the common factor, the factor which is present in all the answers. What is common in all? Y plus 2, right? Y plus 2, and here we are having y plus 2. These three are the common factors. So we will write down common factor as y plus 2. As we are not having only single common factor, so hence it is the HCF. HCF is equals to y plus 2, right? As we are having just only single common factor in all the answers, so that will also be equals to the HCF, which is the highest common factor, or you can say y plus 2 is the HCF of these three polynomial expressions, okay. Now come to the next question. The next one will be done yourself, same as we have done question number 9, 8, same as you will do question number 9, okay. See question number 10. We are having 9x square plus 63x plus 108. Second expression we are having 9x square plus 45x plus minus 216, and the last expression we are having 18x square plus 45x minus 27, okay. These three are the polynomial expressions. We will do one by one. First polynomial we are having, first polynomial which is 9x square plus 63x plus 108, okay. Now what? For finding the factors of this expression, first we have to check that we can do the midterm breaking. Yes, we can do the midterm breaking here, but you can see that we are having the first and last value as 9 and 108, which is a greater number. And for doing multiplication, after multiplication we get a larger number, that we will have difficulty to find the factors of, okay. So what we can do, what is convenient for us, we can take out common if something is common, okay. So check out what we can take out the value or the constant as a common one. You can see we are having 9, 63 and 108. These three are the numbers which can also be divided by 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 sevens are 63 and 12 nines are 108. 9 12s are 108, okay. It means we can take out 9 as a common value. We can take out 9 as a factor or common factor. So what left? 9 ones are 9 x square plus 9 sevens are 63 x plus 9 12s are 108, right. What we have done, we have taken 9 as a common value. After taking 9 as a common, we are having x square plus 7x plus 12. How we have got these numbers or these values? 9 ones are 9, 9 sevens are 63, plus 9 12s are 108. Now we can factorize it easily, okay. So as we have done midterm breaking, same as we will do the midterm breaking here, but the 9 will remain at its place in all the steps. 9 will not go anywhere. 9 will come together, come with the steps. So in all the steps, 9 will be the first value of the expression, okay. Now what you have to do? Midterm breaking, first and last value we will multiply. It is 12 ones are 12. So we have to make the factors of 7. The numbers when we add it, we must have 7, and after multiplication we got 12. Which numbers after adding we are getting 7? You can see we are having 4 plus 3. These two numbers when we added, 4 plus 3 is equals to 7, and 4 3s are 12. So we will take, or we will write down 4 plus 3 at place of 7 as a midterm breaking x plus 12. Next step, we have to open the bracket. So x square plus 4x plus 3x plus 12. Taking common from the first two or the last two, we will have 9. Here we are having, what is common here? X is common, so we will write down x plus 4 plus, what is common here? We can take out 3 as a common value because 3 is the multiple of 3 and 12 both. So 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. We are taking 3 as a common value here. 3x plus 3 4s are 12. Right? X plus 4, x plus 4. It is common. So we will write down x plus 4, or taking x plus 4 as a common value. Or then we are having the remaining, which is x plus, what remains here? 3. Factors of the first polynomial expression. Now same as we will find out the factors of the second expression. It is second polynomial. We are having 9x square plus 45x minus 216. Again we can take out 9 as a common value, right? So what we will take? 9 as a common, because 9 1s are 9, plus 9 5s are 45, 9 5s are 45 minus 216 divided by 9. What do we get? 216 divided by 9. 9 2s are 18, remaining 3 6. 9 4s are 36. So we are having, it is 24. Okay. What we are getting? We are getting 24 after dividing 216 by 9. Means 9 multiplied by 24, we get 216. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the factors of the mid value, which is 5. Okay. What we are getting? 24 ones are 24. Minus 24 we are getting after multiplication of the first or last value. It means we have to find the factors of 5. The numbers, when we subtract it, we get 5, and when we do multiplication, we got 24. So which numbers? After multiplication we get 24, or by subtracting we have 5. What we can take out? We can take out 6 minus 1, 7 minus 2, 8 minus 3, or 9 minus 4, or 10 minus 5, and we have to find out the right pair, means which is the right pair, that after subtracting of all the values we are getting 5. 6 minus 1 5, 7 minus 2 will also be equals to 5, 8 minus 3 will also be equals to 5, 9 minus 4 will also be equals to 5, and 10 minus 5 will also be equals to 5. But which is the right pair? Which one we have to take as a right pair? The numbers, the pair which when multiply give us 24. 6 ones are 6, which is not a right factor. Okay. 7 twos are 14. It is also not a right factor. 8 threes are 24. Means it is a right factor. We can take out 8 minus 3 as a mid value or mid-term breaking value. Okay. So write it here. What we have selected? We have selected 8 minus 3. 9 as it is. X square plus, we have to write down the factors, 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3, 5, and 8 3s are 24. Okay. Minus, here we have to write down the variable x minus 24. Now open the brackets. 9 as it is. X square plus 8x plus minus 3x minus 24. Right? Now 9, taking common from the first two or the last two. What is common here? We are having x as a common value, so remaining is x plus 8 minus, what we can take out common? We can take out 3 as a common value again, because 3 ones are 3 and 3 sevens are 3 eights are 24. So we will write down 3 as common value. What left? X minus minus plus 3 eights are 24. Now remaining is 9 into, what is the common bracket? We are having x plus 8 or x plus 8. These are the common brackets, so we will write down x plus 8 as a common bracket, and the remainings are, what left here? X minus, what left here? 3. It is the factor of, or you can say the factors of the second polynomial expression. Same as we will find out the factors of the third expression, which is third polynomial. What is the third polynomial? We are having third polynomial as 18x square plus 45x minus 27. Okay. Now what we have to do, again we can take out 9 as a common value, because 18, 45 and 27, these three are the multiples of 9. So we can take out 9 as a common value. Taking 9 as a common, what left? 9 2s are 18, x square plus 9 5s are 45x plus minus 9 3s are 27. Right? 9 2s are 18, 9 5s are 45, 9 3s are 27. So what we have to do next? We have to find out the factors of midterm. 9 will come as it is. 2 3s are 6 minus 6. It means we have to do the subtraction. After subtracting, we must have 5. Which numbers we can have after subtracting? Minus 5 means the numbers, when we subtract it, we must have 5, and when we multiply it, we must have 6. How do we get 6? By multiplication of first and last value. Okay, so which numbers we can take 5 as? We can write down 6 minus 1, 5, and 6 ones are 6. Can we take this one? 6 minus 1, 5, and 6 ones are 6. These are the factors of, you can say, 5. For subtraction, 2 x square plus, at place of 5 we will write down 6 minus 1, which is equals to 5 x minus 3. Opening bracket, 9 as it is, 2 x square plus 6x plus minus x minus 3. Right? Taking common from the first two or the last two, we will have 9 as a common value, and then we are having, what is common here? We can take 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So we can take out 2 as a common. X square and x, we can take out x again. Okay. Now what left? X plus 2 threes are 6 minus, what is common here? Nothing is common, so we will take out 1 as a common value, and then x minus plus 3. Right? Here we are having 9 as it is. X plus 3 is common. X plus 3 and x plus 3 is common. And the remaining is 2x minus 1. The factors of third polynomial. Right? First polynomial, second polynomial, and the third polynomial. We have find out the factors of first, second, and third polynomial. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the common factors. Here I am erasing it. So because I have a need of port, so next heading we will put the for common factors. Okay. So what are the common factors? The factors which are present in 1, 2, 3. These three answers. What is common? 9. 9. 9. It means 9 is a common factor of all the expressions, and which is common we are having, it is x plus 3. We are having Why do we are having x plus 3? As okay students, here we are having a minus sign in the question. Okay, as we are having the minus sign, we will change it. Minus minus, minus plus, minus, and minus minus plus 3x. So here we will have plus 3x and minus sign here, plus minus minus. It will become x minus 8 or x plus 3. Okay, because we may have a same factor, as we are having x plus 3, x plus 3. So here will also be x plus 3. We can check our mistake in the question, that where we have done the mistake if we are not getting the same factor or the common factor. We were doing a mistake for plus or minus sign here. It was a plus, I have written plus sign here, but it was minus. Okay, so we have done the correction for here. We were having minus sign here. The factors will not be changed. Okay, only the sign will be changed. Minus 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 plus, or minus plus minus here. So x plus 3 is the common factor. Here we will write down x plus 3, and then hence after multiplication or the product of common factors, we are having two common factors, 9 and x plus 3. So we have to do the multiplication. HCF is equals to 9x plus 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 9 3 is 27. It is the answer of your question. Okay, question number 8, question number 9 or question number 10 is your homework. 9 you have to do yourself, as we have done question number 8, same as you have to do question number 9, right? 8, 9 and 10 is your homework. See the homework on your homework folder, and till the next class we are signing off. Allah Hafiz.